today. Friends, when I lit inauguration ceremony of Sivakumar Mahaswamigalu's 102 years birthday, you saw 102 lights shining. What does it mean? What does it mean? It means that is each light asking, what can I give? Each light is asking, what can I give? At the age of 102 years, the question is, what can I give? But will you register that point in all your mind today? When you go home, think about what each one of you can give. You can give, you make one life happy, you have given, is a tribute to Mahaswamigal, Sivakumar Mahaswamigal. Friends, I consider myself to be blessed to participate in the Guru Vandana event commemorating 102nd birthday of His Holiness Dr. Sri Sri Sivakumara Mahaswamigalu. When I am in the company of Sri Sri Sivakumara Mahaswamigalu, let me recite a vachana of Basaveshwara. To the maker of the pot, the clay is the first need. To the maker of the ornaments, the gold. To the seeker of the path of Siva, the path of the Guru. To the seeker of Kundala Sangama, the company of saints. This vachana of Basaveshwara radiates the purpose of human life, which we are witnessing today in the company of Mahaswamigal at his 102nd birthday celebration. Friends, all of us here have assembled to greet Mahaswamigal for his spiritual services, educational services, and above all his great mission of removing the hunger of the poor, irrespective of the caste, religion, and community. On this occasion, I recollect one kural, a couplet, from my favorite Tamil classic, composed over 2,200 years ago by Thiruvalluvar. The saint poet has devoted one full chapter of 10 kurals out of 1,330 kurals on to Tabas. It says, Tan uyirthan arapetranai yenaya man uyirellam tholu. It means, with the power of Tabas, if one discards the attachment to one who owns life, I and the hunger in him, then all lives in the universe will bow before him. I join the lives in the universe to pay my reverence and respect to His Holiness Dr. Sri Sri Sivakumara Swamiji. What we can offer to such a great sage as Guru Vandana, what we can offer to such a sage as Guru Vandana, will it be flowers? Shall we pay tribute? Or shall we offer Sahastang Pranam? I don't think any one of these will bring smile in the face of Mahaswamigalu. But definitely smile and happiness will come if today every one of us take a single oath. Shall we do it? Shall you do it? Shall we do it? Shall we do it? These for grown-ups. Shall we do it? Grown-ups are all silent. Shall we do it? What is the oath? Will you join me? today onwards, today onwards, today onwards, I will give part of my time, part of my wealth, and a part of my service to give value-based quality education to at least one girl child in my life who cannot afford. Will you do it? How many of you do it? Not bad, not bad. All young fellows doing. Okay. While I am in Sri Siddhaganga Math, I remember few incidents about Sri Sri Mahaswamigal. In the early days, creation of the Math, Swamiji himself, I understand, used to carry stone and mud, other building material for the construction work as any other inmate of the Math. It's a great message for all of us to have this mind for service. You have to go all out to do physical, mental and spiritual services for your growth. This is what we learn from Swamiji's life. Swamiji has developed a relationship with the 9,000 students who are sitting in the front, who are residing in the Math. The relationship is that of a mother and a child, mother and a child. He goes to the kitchen, Swamiji, he even goes to the kitchen, personally sees that everything which cooked and served to the children is of good quality. Many times, when the food is served to the children, he is there. During the vacation, children are all allowed to go to their homes. To go to the homes, many of them do not have money. They all come and ask personally from Swamiji to give money as a child will ask from the mother. Swamiji has a special characteristics that he never says no for admitting child in the Math. Even the officials say that there are accommodation problem. He will always say, you find a way. You cannot turn down the request of the child. That's what he used to say. Few decades ago, whenever Mahaswamigal used to visit the villages, this I heard from the village folks, the village citizens will honor him with rice, fruits, vegetables and costly sari dupatas. Swamigal used to say, Mahaswamigal used to say to the parents and family, I don't need anything. Send your child to me. I will educate. This reminds me of an ancient Greek teacher saying, give me a child for 7 years. Afterwards, let God or devil take the child. They cannot change the child. This indicates the power of great teachers, what they can inculcate in the young minds. I see the Mahaswamigal, a great teacher who has a great heart to give. By giving, Mahaswamigal derives all the happiness and the grace and blessing from the Almighty to succeed in whatever the societal mission that takes up. There are three characteristics. Characteristics of his tapas. There are three characteristics of his tapas of nearly 8 decades. Walk, acquire, and give. He walks with undeterred dedication and concentration. Acquires knowledge from everyone he meets as well as from the nature, and radiates hope to the society through his committed services to the society. In conclusion, friends, I have been discussing from all walks of life nationally and different parts of the world. One of the important themes which transcends times is how to develop enlightened citizens. Enlightened citizenship has 3 dimensions. namely education with value system, and Siddhaganga Mutt is doing. Religion bridged by spirituality, economic development. On this auspicious occasion of the 102nd birthday of celebration of His Holiness Sri Sri Sivakumar Swamigalu, let us dedicate ourselves to do our part in propagating enlightened citizenship. Yesterday night at 10 o'clock, when I talked to my brother who is 92 years old, and said that I am going to meet I told him, I am going to meet His Holiness Sri Sri Sivakumara Swamiji, who is 102. My brother immediately said, he prayed, Ya Awwal, Ya Akhir, Almighty, you are the creator. For you, there is no beginning, no end. He further prayed, my brother prayed, O Almighty, you may please bless Sri Sri Sivakumara Swamiji for the everlasting mission of doing great society as he is doing today, and for further multiplication of contribution for the goodness of the society. This was my brother's prayer. With these words, I inaugurate the 102nd birthday celebration of His Holiness Jagadguru Dr. Sri Sri Sivakumara Mahaswamigalu. My pranams to Swamijis and best wishes to all the participants of the historic event. May God bless you all, friends. Namaskar.